Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set filters for a search in the Chargemap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the filters button at the top of the page on the right. So first you can set if you want the charging place to be Chargemap Pass compatible. So in order to do that, click on the white circle next to it. You can set the charging power, so by clicking on the amount that you want. And then you can set the type of connector, so depending on your car, obviously. If you have a Tesla, then you will get the Tesla supercharger, and so on. So you can set the availability and the networks, and you can also set if you want like a high rated charging station. And if you need nearby services, you can set that. So if you want to have some lunch, then just click on the food button. If you want to use the restroom, just click on the restroom button. And at the end there are some other filters that you can set, like only free stations, only 24/7 stations. And once you're done with everything, just click on the save button at the top of the page on the right. And the filters now are updated, so from now on your searches will be according to the set filters. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.